Hey guys, Dwayne England here on the water with buddy Mike Surdyk, West Coast sales rep for Raymarine. How you doing, man?
Doing good, man. Good day on the water.
It's a great day to get on the water. We got a fish in the box next to our buddy Matt. But hey, got you out here because we're gonna walk through some different steps and things we can do with our Raymarine electronics.
Yeah.
Kind of help you guys out when it comes to just dialing in certain things. You get a ton of phone calls, questions all the time.
Yep.
And so we're gonna create a library of sorts, a small library of these tutorial, quick little insightful how-tos.
Yeah.
And we're gonna bring that to you right now.
Gonna talk quickly, guys, about the radar and some of the radar functionalities, radar overlay. On this boat here, we have our Quantum 2 Doppler radar, right? It's a closed dome chirp radar that also has our Doppler feature, which we're gonna talk about some of the collision avoidance, things that you can help keep you safer on the water when you're navigating in low light conditions. Everybody's kind of familiar with the radar page here, right? We've got land off to our side. We're picking up a target here, which is a big freight cargo ship off our port or starboard side. And you can see when I zoom in and out here, the first ring here is a mile, the second ring is 2 miles. You can really zoom and adjust that to however you like to see it. If you're navigating in close proximity like the Puget Sound, where you're not really interested in looking out 15, 20, 30 miles, but more what's closer proximity around the boat, you'll want to be zoomed into a couple miles. And the other feature we have is we have different presets, right? So we've got a harbor mode, a coastal mode, an offshore, and even a weather mode. Since we're navigating here around the show area, we'll turn it into harbor mode. That's just telling the radar, I want to see what's around me close, right? And the cool feature with Doppler is now that we're seeing these targets and whatnot, now we want to turn Doppler on. It's just a quick button push. And now we're in Doppler mode. It changes it to a grayscale, right? And so the boats that are on approach to our vessel position turn red, right? So we know that these targets have a time to intercept and are on approach to where we're at. The boats that are going away from us and that are not on approach, we highlight as green. So that's just a really cool feature when you're navigating in zero vis fog and you want to know, okay, my landmass here is the grayscale, it's not moving away or towards me, but the boats in green and red, those are the boats that we're going to keep an eye on. And now to take this a step further, now we want to overlay the radar over our charts. We just come over to our chart page here, and now we're displaying radar over our charts, right? We can see that target out in front of us there. We're picking up the shoreline. Very cool feature to have, especially for guys that really radar is new to them. You know, they're trying to understand. This just gives a lot more perception as to what's around the boat, where that target's at relative to my charts, and really just keeps us a lot safer on the water. And when you're done using the radar, say the fog cleared up, it's just one button push, and then you come over here and hit stop radar, and that just puts it back into sleep mode.